Now discuss what is photochemical reaction. Okay, give the example. The chemical reactions that take place only when light energy is absorbed by the reactant molecules are called photochemical reaction. For example, photosynthesis. Okay, this is the types of photochemical reaction. Carbon dioxide react with water at the presence of light and chlorophyll form glucose and oxygen. The chemical equation, that is carbon dioxide 6CO2 plus water molecule 6H2O at the presence of light and chlorophyll glucose formed, that is C6H12O6 and oxygen 6O2. Okay, it is the appropriate photochemical reaction. This is the photosynthesis. Okay, thank you my dear viewers.